Come take off this look with me. I'm wearing contacts, which I do all the time, but I'm not a huge fan of it because they dry out my eyes, and also they're really hard to take out because I have literal claws. It's like a gamble every time. Am I gonna stab myself in the eye? Most likely, yes. Oh, there it goes. Doesn't usually go that well. Sometimes, oh, it needs a little help. Oh, cute. Okay, goodbye wig. Oh, no, I said goodbye. I also have 2 cleansing balms that I usually alternate, but I thought this was a perfect moment to check which one works better. Okay, the right side is gonna be the Inky List. You know, I started comparing them, but I don't even know what the criteria is that I'm looking for here. It's working. Okay, and then my left side is gonna be Juno and Co. I'm trying to not cross-contaminate them. Okay, I've been massaging both sides for a minute. Let's test. Okay, let's start with the Inky List. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, using a clean side, let's do Juno and Co. Also amazing. Well, that was a pointless experiment. I'm kind of confused why the paint is not coming out of my mouth. Oh, okay. It's getting there. Honestly, I'm happy my skin is not stained, but I'm gonna go take the rest of this off in the shower and then go and eat dinner. Boom. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Did you miss that? It's literally been so long since I've done a special effects look like this. I've been procrastinating on taking this off because I literally know it's gonna hurt so bad, but let's do it. Owie. Okay, good start though, good start. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, that did nothing. I'm gonna go for the eyes, okay. At least I still have my eyebrows. I also kind of did a dumb thing and covered my entire chest with liquid latex so I could have like the texture, and now I don't know how to take it off. Like, it's all just small pieces. 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking that maybe if I go slow, it's gonna be easier. More painful, but maybe easier? I think there might be a big piece right here. The lower from my face I get, the more it hurts. Okay, this is the best I could do. And I hope you guys didn't forget about the nightmare fuel. Oh, it's in my mouth. Oh, stop. Ready? Ha! It's in my teeth. Great, okay. I'm gonna go shower. All clean.
Oh wow. Take off my makeup with me. I turned myself into her. This is all just stuff I had laying around my studio. Wings. I was an angel at some point, I think. These ears, I think, were for Christmas. I was like an elf. Sleigh, I just painted them pink so I could reuse them. I bought this unicorn horn literally 1.5 years ago and was just saving it for the right moment. This might have been the first wig I actually ever owned. I turned my friend into a drag queen with it like 2 or 3 years ago. These contacts are from my zodiac sign series from 2 years ago. I had to like revive them with contact solution because they were crusty. Snatch off these lashes, and you already know I'm gonna save them so I can use them again. A little gem right there. Oh, I don't want to take her off. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm gonna save her. Maybe I could like put ice cream in it. This is gonna look crazy. Ow. Who wants my spicy pink donut? Hopefully my earrings are not stained pink forever. Now we wipe that all away. Yeah! I kind of wish humans had pink skin. Why can't we have like pink and purple and blue? Like avatars, Barney, fairies. I feel like everything would be cuter. I'm gonna go shower.
My son is eating plastic.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering. It's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bold cap. Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'm gonna go shower. Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come up in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, this is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use scar wax and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh, please come off in one piece, please. No, come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. I'll clean.
What's up, squad? I am not looking gat right now. Not at all. And that is because I am wiping on my makeup. Well, not actually wiping on my makeup, but wiping off my makeup in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup, that would be lit. That would be so slay and so period. This mummy look is from the finale of my 3-part long form series. So if you guys haven't seen all those parts, please go check them out because I worked really hard on them and I think they turned out good. And like this video maybe, share this video, click the link to go watch the long forms. Bye! Get on ready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here, and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.
Oh, hey. 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Whoop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean. I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But it can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys!